In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Machenike-G3V2 control to your smartphone via Bluetooth. First, make sure the controller is powered off. Then press and hold the X plus home buttons. This will put the controller into phone pairing mode. Keep holding X plus home until the indicator light changes from slow to rapid flashing. Now the light is flashing rapidly. That means the controller is in pairing mode. Now grab your phone, open settings, and turn on Bluetooth. Then look for a device named Xbox Wireless Controller. Tap it to connect. Do not connect to the device named G3V2AP. Only use that if you need to open the key linker for regular gaming on your phone. You should connect to the XBO X Wireless controllers instead. Alright, tap to connect and pair. When the controller vibrates, it means the connection is successful. Now let's open a game to test it out. Okay, nice. And that's it, you're ready to play.